Hello everyone and welcome again to the ITT OLT MCQ series. For those who are watching this for the first time, let me introduce myself. I'm Harsh from Journey with Harsh and we are watching the ITT OLT series in which I am discussing MCQs on different chapters. Okay, and currently we are doing MCQs of MS Excel. And the questions are from question number 11 to 20. So let's start. Question number 11. Keyboard shortcut to save a workbook in Excel is dash. Answer is C. F12. Question 12. In MS Excel, references to cells in other workbooks are called dash. The answer is A. Links. Question 13. In Excel, when $5 is copied down or across, the dash reference can change. The answer is B. Column. Question 14. Which of these is valid range name in Excel? The answer is C. Dash A dot B. Question 15. How to name a range in Excel? The answer is D. All of the above. Question 16. Which operator is used for exponentiation in Excel? The answer is B. Question 17. In Excel, dash structured programs that calculate a specific result. The answer is A. Functions. Question 18. In Excel, fact 2.9 returns dash. The answer is A. 2. Question 19. In Excel, log function returns the dash. The answer is B. Logarithm of a number to the base specified. Question 20. In Excel, MROUND 1.3, 0.2 returns dash. The answer is A. 1.4. Thank you and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest notifications from my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.